Want to eject water from your Apple Watch? In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to activate the water lock feature and safely remove any water from your device's speaker. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who owns an Apple Watch. Let's get started. First, press the side button on your Apple Watch to open the control center. Once you're in, scroll down until you spot the water droplet icon. That's the water lock feature. Tap on the water lock icon to turn it on. Once activated, your Apple Watch screen will become unresponsive to touch. This prevents accidental inputs caused by water droplets. Now, to eject the water, press and hold the digital crown for about 2 seconds. Your Apple Watch will play a high-frequency sound that vibrates the speaker, forcing the water out through the speaker vent. And that's it. Your Apple Watch is now water-free and ready to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.